In the ever-evolving world of automotive technology, the Ottocast U2 Air Pro wireless CarPlay adapter stands out as a game-changer, offering an intelligent and wireless solution to enhance your in-car experience. Available on Aliexprss, this innovative accessory transforms your OEM wired CarPlay system into a state-of-the-art wireless hub with a host of compelling features. Bid farewell to tangled cords and cables as Ottocast U2 Air Pro pioneers the conversion of your factory wired CarPlay system into a wireless marvel. Utilizing Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, this adapter opens up a new realm of possibilities. Experience a perfect play every time with stable and uninterrupted CarPlay connectivity. Ottocast U2 Air Pro ensures that your journey is seamless, allowing you to enjoy your favorite apps without disruptions. Ottocast U2 Air Pro simplifies your driving experience with automatic connection capabilities. No manual pairing required. The adapter seamlessly connects to your device as soon as you step into your vehicle. Keep your CarPlay experience up to date effortlessly with free and easy software updates. Ottocast guarantees that you're always equipped with the latest features and enhancements for a superior driving experience. Ottocast U2 Air Pro is not bound by borders. With worldwide shipping available, users globally can access this intelligent wireless CarPlay adapter, elevating their driving experience regardless of location. Ottocast U2 Air Pro is tailored for vehicles and motorcycles, equipped with factory wired CarPlay systems, ensuring a seamless integration for a wireless upgrade. Designed exclusively for Apple users, Ottocast U2 Air Pro supports iPhones from version 6 and later. Note that it does not support Android phones. Ottocast U2 Air Pro caters to a wide range of car models featuring built-in wired CarPlay systems covering vehicles manufactured between 2016 and 2022. Due to a small issue with the call function, Ottocast U2 Air Pro is currently not recommended for Skoda cars and Toyota RAV4 2020. Not compatible with BMW cars. Ottocast U2 Air Pro is not available for BMW cars. For a seamless experience, Ottocast requests users to note their car model when placing orders, particularly for Mitsubishi cars. Compatible with 98% of car models, Ottocast U2 Air Pro proudly supports 98% of car models, including renowned brands such as Volkswagen, Audi, Volvo, Benz, Porsche, Pioneer, Honda, Jeep, Nissan, Buick, Cadillac, Land Rover, Peugeot, Chevrolet, Skoda, and more.